For the fast reconstruction of transformer stations that were originally installed above ground and destroyed during the war in Ukraine, Ukrainian local authorities wanted underground shelters. The conventional construction of underground shelters can take several years because often very complex and cost-intensive special civil engineering projects are required before the actual construction of the shelters can begin. Precast elements from industrial prefabrication, so-called tubing elements, are known from tunneling. These elements are to be used in a modified form for the construction of shelters. Using the lowering method, the circular segments can be installed very quickly, regardless of the subsoil and groundwater, without the need for an additional excavation pit. The concrete construction replaces the pit and is lowered by the excavation of the soil and its own weight. After reaching the desired depth, an underwater concrete base is installed. Before the top of the shelter is built, the installations are made, which are also prefabricated as modules. These modules can be designed for multifunctional use, for example, also for human protection. In order to minimize the high emission associated with the use of conventional concrete, recycled cement is to be used in the production of precast elements. This is produced from old concrete using an energy-saving low-temperature process. In the first step, the concrete is crushed to obtain crushed concrete sand. In the second step, the concrete stone content is enriched in the finest fraction by further mechanical processing in the crushed sand. And the third step, an independent hydraulic cement, is produced from the finest fraction by thermal treatment. By using recycled aggregate in combination with the recycled cement, a complete circular economy is achieved.